YouTube? Welcome back. Today is going to be the day that we finally get the door replaced in the Integra. Finally tracked one down, and the guy's just giving it to me for free, so that's pretty cool. He just said I just have to swap them doors, that way his still stayed a full shell. So yeah, we'll just take this one off, which I've already got done, and kind of in a hurry, so I just went ahead and did it. So we just kind of pulled it off there, got the door off, so yeah, let's go ahead and just set you guys here, and let's just get this thing loaded. Took an L on that one. Okay, yeah, took an L on that one, so it wouldn't fit in the trunk. Kind of sucks only having one car, but I got it to fit in the back seat back here of the Mazda, so thank God that fit. So yeah, let's go get the other one, and see you guys when I get there. Hey guys, there we are. Made it back home. Sorry I didn't film any of that. I didn't want to, be rude and put a camera in that guy's face, but super nice guy. We just swapped out doors, so I got the new one back there, no dents or anything, and it's actually color matched, kind of. So it's still the same red, and I was even able to grab a passenger side mirror to replace kind of the screwed up one that I've got on the car right now. So a little extra grab was kind of nice, but yeah, so let's go throw this thing on. There it is. New door, pretty great shape, pretty good shape. As you can see, no dents, no rust, nothing like I had to deal with in the last one, so that's nice. The mirror's pretty well screwed up. I don't know what it is, something about these mirrors, but luckily I kept the other one off the other door, so I can just replace those. And like I said earlier, I grabbed one for the other side, so I don't have to deal with any of this anymore. This is disgusting, and I don't know what's wrong with it. So yeah, that's nice. I didn't really walk through on taking the door off. I was kind of in a hurry. I had to get out there and get it. The guy got off work, and I didn't want him to have him waiting on me or anything like that. So kind of just walking through. The first thing you're gonna have to do is pop off the side skirt, and they're pretty easy. It's just these little tabs, and it slides towards the front of the car. You just pull it off. It has a bunch of like little plastic certs on the bottom of them. I never really reuse them, so I just pull them all out and throw them away. They're kind of worthless anyways. Once you do that, the side skirt pulls towards the front of the car and off, and then you work on taking off the quarter fender, and that's held on by, I don't know, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 10mm bolts. Once you pull that, you can pull the fender away, and that will pull you to these, the hinges, which are held on by 4 12mm bolts. So right here, and here, and here, and then you just pull the plug for the door harness out of the door right there, and that's pretty much it. Then you open the door, and it'll have this hinge on the inside right here, and that's held in with a pin. I don't know what I did with it. Right here. That was lucky. So it's held in with this little Carter pin looking type thing. If my camera will focus, and it won't, but yeah. So with that, just goes right here. You pop that pin, and the whole door comes out. And that's pretty much how you just replace the door. To get to the mirror, you have to pull the door cards and everything, and I'll show you that later on. But it's getting a little late and I'm losing light, so I just want to throw the door on so my car's not wide open. So let me go ahead and set you guys up over here and get the door back on real quick. Oh, am I fucking... Are you gonna record my butt the whole time, dude? Yeah. Rude. Yeah, cut, bro. Yeah, as you can see, thank God last night my roommate came out and helped me throw that door on. The door was way heavier than I had expected. Not really even a one-person job. It's gonna take two to do that, or to do it properly, and where you don't have to fight it for an hour on end like I was about to do. So huge shout outs to him. Thank you so much for the help. Couldn't have done it without you. But the door's on, and it's the next day because I ran out of light last night. So let's go ahead and finish buttoning this back up, and I will walk you guys through putting it back together. And it's just the same way as taking it apart. So since I wasn't able to show you taking it apart, I'll show you the steps on putting it back together. So let's get that started. So as you can see right there, that is the pin that I was having so much trouble on putting back together. I ended up having to put the two brackets, top and bottom, in first before I could hit that pin. And that pin just helps counter the weight, is what it looks like. So once you have these back on, these four, I believe they're a 14, no, they're 12. So once you have these two 12s back on, or the four 12s back on, it makes it a whole lot easier to do that. Put that pin on the inside, and then like you see, everything is shut and lines up properly. The only thing that you have to do, remember, if you guys are ever to switch a door, is to pull that out, your door handle up, because you don't want to carry around two sets of keys for your car. So make sure you pull your whole door handle out with a locking assembly. That way you don't have to get keys, or two sets of keys, one for each door. So keep this for your new door, pull it out of your old one. Once that's done, we can now go ahead and just plug the door harness back in. It shouldn't really take much. I think it just slides on in until it clicks, and then you can work the boot back on around to keep it watertight. So now, before I put all this back together, let's go ahead and pull this mirror off. It's garbage. I don't know why the paint is cracked and faded so bad, but I kept the one off the old one, the old door, which was way better. So to do that, you're gonna have to pull your whole door card out and everything, which we've already done. So let's go ahead and take this mirror out. So you're gonna have 3 8mm nuts, and then you have to undo this clip. It's just a pinch top and bottom. And then once you get that pulled out, just go ahead and take these off. So once you get those taken off, kind of wiggle the mirror loose, so it's a little loose from the door, and then there'll be little tabs here, top and bottom. Yep, be able just to pull it right on out. So I don't know if you can see it. It's the 2 tabs, little compression tabs, top and bottom. Holds it inside the hole there. A little extra protection. So you can just take that, throw it aside, because that's now garbage. It should get all the holes lined up. Just pushes right on in, clips. Now you can take bolts, start threading it on. Now just take the harness, plug it back in. So it clicks, and boom. Successfully changed the mirror. That's not all garbage like the other one. Okay, so anyway, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna disconnect it here. This is the one that runs to your lock, your power lock. So you're gonna disconnect it. There'll be a tab here and 2 tabs on the other side, and then you can just pull it all the way out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now, the new latch is plugged in and it's wired. You guys can't see it, but you have to tuck it in behind the railing for the glass, the guide, so that way it doesn't cut. So you have to go behind that, down, and back up. That way the glass can go up and down and not catch the wire. So now that's all ran. Now we come through on this side. You have to wiggle this back in. You can see it, but this post gets stuck into this hole right here, and then this other one, I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a second little rod down there that has to go in here, and then this all slides back in and then gets bolted up by 2 10mm bolts right here. So let's go ahead and throw that back in. So there we go. Door replacement. The handle works. Nice. So yeah, so everything's replaced. I just have to go. I realized I was an idiot and forgot the 2 10 mils that go to hold the door handle in place, so I'll have to run to the hardware store and pick up 2 more of those. So that's not a big deal. Get those replaced, get the door card back on. So I'll show you guys that in the next video. Done, sit perfect, and we're good to go. So yeah, so that'll be it for this one, and that helps you guys out. I'm glad. Stay tuned. There'll be a whole much more coming for this car. And yeah, throw a like if this helps you guys, and comment down below if you guys can think of anything that I might have missed or anything that would make it more helpful for you guys in the next coming videos, or anything you guys would want to see specifically. And please don't forget to subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. Catch you guys in the next one.